Well, there we go. We're going to the barangay to get a pass because they've changed the pass situation, haven't they, Mal?
Oh, it's annoying.
I know it is. What's the new pass called?
It's same. Home quarantine leave pass.
Yeah, but
they have a different,
we can have 5 people on it now.
They can use 5.
So, can 5 people go out at the same time?
No.
Just
Only
one.
by one.
God, no wonder people are passing out with these masks on. This is impossible. It's so hot here. Come on then, let's go. So, we're going to take you for a walk.
If there's a police pass here and they see you that no bus, they're gonna give you a ticket.
Yeah.
It's penalty. Oh, Ada.
Well,
Oh, it's limping, Ada.
oi, go on. Go on,
Ada's
you can't
limping.
come. What you limping for, eh? What's happened? You can't come. He's just going to follow me. He's probably been hit by a car.
No, it's alright now.
So, I hope you can hear me because I've got this mask on,
You
obviously.
can remove, there's no police.
Yeah, that's better. We'll have to have it when we come across the barangay. This place is opening up a little bit more now. There's more people around and about.
And as well, in Central, most of the shop is open already.
Most of the shops are opening up again now. I told you, didn't I, guys? It'll start and come to an end as quick as it started. It's happening now in the US, isn't it? I mean, people are protesting in Michigan and other places like that, and bless them. The people are starting to understand what this is about and objecting to it. In the US, I'm talking about. I'm not talking about where I am, because I can't talk about where I am because I will be in contravention of my visa conditions.
You can drink na as well. It's not a liquor bar.
Oh, there's no liquor ban now. Oh, that's good. The liquor ban's
You
off.
remember one of our subscribers bought you a wine?
Oh yeah, yeah.
It's Kevin and Honey.
Kevin and
Honey.
Hanny. Yeah, Kevin and Hanny. He brought me some. They both brought me some vitamins round, and a bottle of red wine.
Yeah, and then that's them as well.
Which I enjoyed very much.
Oh, see you.
Yes, looks like somebody's going to do a garden. Look at him following me. That's what he does. He doesn't follow anybody else. It's just me. Huh? Why? Who does he follow?
Follow to me as well.
Does he? Why?
Because he loves me.
Why does he love you?
I don't know why.
No, I don't. So what's happening here then? And I'm not asking you, I'm talking aloud.
What do you mean?
Well, it looks like they're clearing it up and doing gardens, doesn't it? Do you think this...
You think someone's by that plant?
Do you think this pandemic's woke people up to start growing their own food?
Pigtara naman may man lang yan. Aram kami sa diri? Aram kami sa diri?
Hindi mo yan ang gutang ano yung dahil barang ka naman yun. Pigtara naman yung baga.
I asked her if someone's by the plant and she said, no, we just cleaned it so we can plant.
Clear it so you can plant. Yeah, I told you. You see, the...
Wait, can you shut up, please? And then I asked her, is it the landlord knows that? No.
No.
That's here in the Philippines.
Yeah, you see, unless it's walled off, if you've got land and you're not using it, somebody will use it for you. Somebody will grow, clear it and grow stuff. And even though it's your land, if you tried to take whatever it was they were growing, you'd be in a fight. It's like all this land let's have a look. It's all for sale. And it's it was 800 pesos a square meter. But if you buy a lot or all of it, it'll come down a lot. And this is where I'd love to build my little resort. Yeah, over there as well. This land here is ideal for my resort. Where it is, not too far away from Naga. It'd be absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. Do you know, it's great, I can get out for a walk now. I can go and walk around. And it'd be interesting to see if anybody stops me as well, you know, because I've never tried it, like going into Centro and stuff. So we're going now to get a pass, and it's going to cover 5 people, so
Yeah.
the different people, such as me, can have the pass.
But
And-
you need to bring ID as well to prove that you're not a senior citizen.
Well, I'm not a senior citizen.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
I'm not 60
Because-
yet, I've got a few months.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why? How many years have I got? Does it go to 65 here?
1 year.
Well, it's not a year, is it? We're in April, May.
Because they're not allowed 21 below and then 60 up to go outside. Oh, there are.
Yeah. There you go, guys. Rush sale.
It's been ages now, right?
So,
Oi,
what?
it's been ages.
Oh yeah, it's not a rush sale. They're talking out the windpipe, aren't they?
24,522 square meter.
Yeah, I'd need about 2,000 square meters, I'm guessing, and I'd probably have it on a corner.
And then the other one's this one is 14,000.
Yeah, I don't want that one because it drops from the road, and the you've got to have it 3 meters away from the road or a footpath. So it has to be built back, which I do anyway because it's too near these spaghetti things.
Then you will notice that it's only right lots of house, but on the left side it's nothing, right?
Yeah,
You see, oh,
because the same people own all this land. Now you see, if I contact them as a foreigner, it wouldn't drop much. But if you get a Filipino to negotiate for you,
yeah, it's good, right? It's not far in Naga.
oh, this would be amazing. This would be absolutely
10 minutes
amazing.
Going to Centro, right? 10 minutes.
Yeah.
going to Centro.
Can you imagine it, guys? We've got some little chalet things, you know, all connected to each other with a balcony thing outside where you can sit outside. There'll be a swimming pool. There'll be, I'll not call it a restaurant. There'll be an eatery and a cabaret on once a week. And it would be beautifully landscaped. So in the evening there'd be lights all the way around. The swimming pool would light up. It'd be amazing.
It's allowed na as well now.
What?
Pajak tricycle.
Oh, they're all allowed now.
But the jeepney, I think not yet.
Yeah. We're creeping in now. They'll not be able to reverse it again, will they? So we're just creeping back to normality again, guys. But when it comes to international flights, I don't think anything's going to happen till at least September. And if you're flying into the Philippines, you're going to have some kind of medical
My sister
certificate.
planning to come vacation here in September. But I don't know if it's gonna be happening.
I don't know. But bear in mind, this is only my opinion. It's not fact. And being as they're saying they're opening things up on the 15th and they're starting to do it now, I'm guessing the 15th might be right, where they'll not extend it anymore, except for the conditions of you wearing masks when you're in town and stuff like that, you know, all the
There is
usual.
the house of my mom. There.
Yeah, that's where we used to live, down that end of that road to the right, guys. That's where Mel's mum's house is, the 3-story one. And this is our barangay. So at least I'm wearing the mask a bit. Mel's not even making any effort, is she?
I can't. I
Yeah, but you
struggle-
look better with a mask on,
I
babe.
struggle to breathe.
I'm only saying.
There's a CCTV there. Look. See?
Yeah. Bidom bum, bidom bum.
I think there.
What? There. Okay. So there's definitely more traffic on the roads. Things are looking a little bit more normal. And of course I use the word normal. Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines!
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping